right, in this video, we're just going to take a look at an individual derivative. It is going to be a trig derivative, and it is going to include a chain. Now, probably the first thing that I would do, or what I have my students do, is we're trying to take the derivative of this trig function, and this to the third power here is on the inside. And some people don't realize that what is actually being raised to the third power, I should say. So I will have my students rewrite this as a secant x to the fourth. And then we put some square brackets out here, and we pull that 3 all the way out there. All right, that clearly lets us see we've got something being raised to the third power. And then that tells us that's our outside function, what we have to take the derivative of first here. All right, so then I'm going to pull that 3 down in front. I'm going to leave the inside alone, so secant x to the fourth. Decrease the exponent by 1, and then include the chain, so d dx of that inside function, so secant x to the fourth. Okay, now at that point then, going to our next line here, the 3 secant x to the fourth to the second power is going to stay put. All right, now here I've got another chain, so I'm going to take the derivative of the outside function, which is the secant. All right, and then leave the inside of the alone because that'll be the chain. So we're going to go times secant, leave the inside alone, x to the fourth tangent x to the fourth. All right, multiply it then by the derivative of the inside function, which is that x to the fourth. So that's our last chain. Everything's going to stay the same. So 3 secant x to the fourth raised to the second power there. Then I'll have the secant x to the fourth. I'll have the tangent x to the fourth. And simple derivative here on the end, a 4x to the third. All right, now at this point, we just need to put terms together, clean it up a little bit. So I'm going to take my 3 times the 4. We'll have a 12x to the third, and we'll put that out in front as our coefficient. All right, then going through and looking, I've got a secant x to the fourth. I've got 2 of them there. I've got another secant x to the fourth right there. It means I have a total of 3 of them. So now I'm going to go ahead and put that 3 back in the center. All right, just kind of cleans that up. We know that it's to the third power. We'll just kind of rewrite it like that, cleans it up a little bit. And then tangent x to the fourth. All right, just for a nice, neat, clean, sleek answer there. But basically a straightforward Calc 1 derivative, all right, trig derivative, and a couple of chains in there. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.